Hello students and welcome to Top Scholars. Students, today we'll be talking about another very interesting topic, that is cell wall. Students, what exactly is a cell wall? The cell wall is a non-living rigid layer. It surrounds the plasma membrane in various organisms. It is most commonly seen in plants. Moving on, students, where is the cell wall found? It is found in organisms like plants, fungi, and even in bacteria. Okay, students? So, cell wall not found in animal cells, only found in plants, fungi, and bacteria. Next, students, let us see the composition of the cell wall. In case of plants, the cell wall is made up of cellulose, which is a polysaccharide. Next, in case of bacteria, the cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan, which is a composition of proteins and carbohydrates. And finally, students, the fungal cell wall is made up of another polysaccharide known as chitin. Okay, moving on. Now, students, let us talk about the layers of the cell wall. Students, take a look at this beautiful image of the plant cell. Now let us study the various layers of the cell wall. The very first one, the outermost, is the primary cell wall. Students, it is thin and formed in young cells. It is a characteristic feature of meristematic cells which keep on dividing and dividing. Students, inside the primary cell wall, eventually another cell wall is formed known as the secondary cell wall. This particular cell wall is present between the primary cell wall and the cell membrane.
To learn more about this topic, download Top Scholars app.